Hey, it's Sammy on September 5th, Thursday. I had a checkup with my oral surgeon today, so I only was in here in the morning. It was a ripper though. So we had 1,400 pips in two different trades. Let's take a look at the charts and see what happened. This is our first trade prior to the open. We are going long. We've got some short time frame data firing here. We're just going up to retest that high of day. And we'll go ahead, since we're in kind of a pre-market, maybe a little bit riskier of a position with shorter time frame data, moving that stop loss up to break even plus 25 to protect the trade. So as we get up here, you see those two yellow horizontal lines. They're just coming off of those previous highs. Those are called Z lines, or basically they're temporary resistance. We're going to go ahead and take what we call a ceiling trade and lock in 660 pips right here. Now there was a massive bearish flag on the hour chart, so it made it really easy to know which direction this was going to break. You can see all the data flipped over pretty much instantly after we went up. We tested that 76.4 Fibonacci level, and we're coming back down really aggressively, really fast, moving that stop loss to break even plus 25 to protect the trade. We're punching around here at this daily pivot. We're still only working with short time frame data, so we're going to go ahead and lock in 740 pips right here.